Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel Discord Nitro subscription. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let's say that you have already subscribed to the Nitro on Discord and you want to cancel it. If you want to do that, you need to go to the user setting right here and open up the billing settings and choose the subscriptions, and you will have option to manage your subscription, and it will bring you to the Google Play on payments and subscription. And if you have already subscribed to the Discord Nitro, Discord will appear right here, and then you just need to tap on that and you can remove the subscription. This is my Google One subscription. And if we want to cancel the subscription, we just need to click on cancel subscription. But of course, you need to select Discord and you can cancel the Discord subscription right here. And for your information, we can't cancel the subscription on the Discord application. We need to go to the Google Play, guys, if we want to cancel the subscription. Okay guys, and that's all the way to cancel the Discord Nitro subscription. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.